This is a video on how to claim your UXLINK. First, you need to check your eligibility, and then for you to do that, you need to come to your login, enter the address. It opens. It says connect wallet. Alright, my wallet is already connected. If yours is not connected, you just click on connect. This one is just my NFT reviews. I just have little NFTs that I actually picked up. So you have the Moon Trust 750, Friends 50, and Links 10. And so it's a total UXLINK token can be claimed. So it's 10 UX links and say claim. I click on claim, and then I'm brought to this page, the early bird claim. This is not the main airdrop place. This is just UXLINK early bird claim. And then you have select the token, you have submit your OKX UID, and then you have the UXLINK deposit address. So I need to get the OKX UID, so I have to go to OKX and then get the UID. Now this is the OKX, and the first thing you need to do is to stay on the exchange. Please take note, there is the exchange, there is the wallet. You stay on the exchange, then you go straight to deposit crypto. You click deposit crypto, then you search UXLINKs. UXLINKs, it shows here, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you copy. This is the address, so you copy the address and then you bring it back to this UXLINK deposit address here. Please, what we're doing here now is the address, so it's been copied. Then for you to get the UX and OKX user identification number, it has UID, you have to go back to your OKX again and go back, click on this place here. Please make sure that your OKX is verified. Then you click on the profile. Once you click on the profile, this is the UID. So you click to copy. It's copied. You go back to the site, UX site, and then you paste. I've pasted it. So what next? I have to put in my password. So it says your airdrop amount submit successfully. Your airdrop amount is 10x UXLINK. If you are a new KYC user and deposit over $100 to this exchange, you get extra 10 UXLINK rewards before TG. Remember, this is just for early bird claim. This is not the token generation event yet. The time for that has not come. They've been distributing airdrops, a few here and there. So take every opportunity matters. Also, this airdrop you can choose to stick it. They will give them about 5,000 APY annual percentage yield if you want to for 180 days. It's up to you to do that. Okay, all right, that's all about this claim. All right, so it will arrive the central exchange accounts before TGE. So enjoy your day. Don't forget to like um, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Telegram channels and group. Join for discussions, questions, and updates. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.